Hello everyone! What's up? Today we will learn how to create a basic zooming video on PowerPoint. Let's do it together. First, need a blank space and select a work desk photo. Then crop it and fix it in proper position. Select Free Shape tool and drag it over the book and page for making blank space there. Then pick color with eyedropper tool for desired color. Then done. Open a new slide. Select text box and write something. Here I'm copying some random text from a Word file. Make font color white because in picture laptop screen is black. Select zoom and then slide zoom option. Select second slide and click zoom background. It helps us reshape and fix the slide. Now I use some ready slide and follow the same thing like zoom. Slide zoom then reshape and fix it. Again, I use a ready slide and follow those steps again. But this spring making video already uploaded in my channel. You can check this with this I button which is in the corner top position of the video. All done! This type of zooming video can help you to make a best presentation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye-bye!